don't wanna be rude, but I don't give a damn about you one bit. And to think you used to have it all. Funny how the tables turn around. You check it for me on the internet, I know you do it. Can't believe I made it with the music. I know, probably think about me all the time. Probably think you're drowning in this sorrow.
Now I get it. Your intentions were so good. You would never do a thing like that again. But we both know that you would.
I don't wanna be rude, but I hope you never find another that can care for you. And I had a feeling I was wrong, but I knew that it was going down. And you got like nothing even happened when I asked you. See, but I already knew. Guess who told? Yeah, who knew? I guess you got some rats in the crew. And now I'm playing shows with the legends. Hopping out the roads and I'm stepping on their toes like I ain't been this good in a second. Self-made boss and a fire and a weapon like. And I'm taking shots, oh yeah, for the record. I hope this song is the one I get rich from. Maybe then you'll learn a lesson.
Now I get it.
You know you would. You would. You would. You would. You would. You know you would. You would. You would. You would. You. Now I don't wanna be rude, but I'm putting numbers on the board. Hey, tell 'em we done been off the hook. Ever since my phone had a cord. Hey, pray to God I make it where I want to. I hope you do whatever that you can. I could've been the one you felt close to, but now I'll never ever be that man. I say I've already got a plan, already ahead. All about my business and I covered overhead. Cut up all the snakes and I left them off for dead. If a snake tryna rat, then I'm cutting off his head. And I've never been the type to give a damn about a hater. I don't give a damn about you neither. I will feel worse, but first things first, I'ma find a loyal woman while I sip this margarita. I skirt. You could've